Hey everybody, Jeff here from Outseta. So today I'm going to show you how you can turn your Notion website into a membership business. So if you've got a site built on Notion, you probably already know one of the issues is you can't inject embed scripts into a Notion site, at least using Notion itself. But there is a product that's called Super.so. It's super.so that can be used alongside Notion. So all of our customers that have Notion sites are also using Super. Super allows them to add Outseta embed scripts to their Notion pages. And I will show you how one of our customers, footballtruth.com, uses this combination to run a membership site for soccer players. So first things first, I can close out of the home pages. And this is the website for footballtruth.com. You can come here. The guy that runs this site is a professional football player, and he runs a community for other aspiring soccer players, where he gives them all sorts of advice on nutrition and training and things of that nature. But he reached out to us. He had built the site on Notion and he said, I want to monetize this, turn it into a membership community. How can I do so? And that's what I'm going to show you today. So within Super, once you create an account, you can come over here to this details page. You'll see that he has connected Super to his Notion page right here. And then if I also come over to the domain section, you can just see that he's taken this Super domain and connected it to his own custom domain, which is footballtruth.com. So once he's made those connections, he can come down here to the code section and inject Outseta's code snippets into his Notion site. So let's first look just at the page itself. You'll see he's added a sign up button, a login button, a logout button. He's also got another page on the site for our profile embed, which allows users to upgrade, downgrade, or cancel their membership, for example. But this is the public site that you're seeing here. But there's only two changes that you need to make that are sort of specific to Notion and Super sites, and it's because of how these sites render JavaScript. Otherwise, the entire process of implementing Outseta with a Notion site is exactly the same as any other site builder. So if I jump into his Outseta account and I come to auth and embeds, the first thing that's unique to Notion because of how it renders JavaScript is you need to open Outseta's sign up, login, and profile embeds as pop-ups. That's actually great. That makes installation really, really easy. So you're just going to grab this head script here, copy it, and then within Super, you come over to this code section. You're just going to click on code. You want to put this code snippet in the header. So you select head. He does have some other code here on the page, but here you'll see he's just taken Outseta's quick start embed script that I just copied from here, and he's just dropped it into the page. There is one very minor change that you do need to make. So if you look at the quick start embed script, it will say domain, and then it will have the domain of his Outseta account. Right after this line, you do have to add a comma, and then you need to add one more line that says monitor DOM colon space true. That is just due to how Notion sites render JavaScript. You do need to add that one line, but that's the only modification that needs to be made to our quick start embed script. So just add a hyphen, or a comma after your Outseta URL, and on a fresh line, type monitor DOM with a capital D, colon, have a space, and then type the word true. Every other element of the quick start embed script is exactly the same. Once you've done that, that's really the only thing at all that is unique to a Notion or Super site. So that aside, we then provide links that you can use to link to your sign up button your login button. If you want to have a My Profile or My Account button, we have a link here, and then we have a logout link as well. So let's take this sign up link, for example. I can just copy this. And within Super, if I come here and I click on this sign up button, you can see down in the bottom left-hand corner of the page, it just links to that URL I just copied from Outseta. So if I now click sign up, it's going to open up Outseta sign up embed. The user can come here, select the plan that they want to sign up for, and go through the sign up process. After they establish a password, they can come back to the website, click login, and log in. And from there, they can also interact with Outseta's profile embed. So the only things you need to remember if you are implementing Outseta with a Super or Notion site is you need to open the embeds as pop-ups. So take this quick start head script. You need to add that one single line that is monitor DOM : space true, as I showed you in the example here. And otherwise, all aspects of implementing Outseta are going to be exactly the same. And you can use our full functionality to turn your Notion and Super site into a membership site. If you need any help with this at all, please let us know. You can reach us at support@outseta.com. Thanks so much.